How to install Lyft app on iPhone. If you want to use the Lyft application and wondering on how to download it on your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the App Store of your mobile phone, just like this. After that, tap onto the search bar and type Lyft and search for it. Then here you can find the Lyft right here. Now select it. Now to download it, simply tap on to get button right here. Now wait for a few minutes and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open it, simply tap on to open button right here. You can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download and install Lyft app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.